What's up, friends? Welcome back to the channel. March 22nd, we have Amazon's hot deals for the week. Let's get into the video. Up first, we have the Blink Mini 2. Now, this is their newest model. HD video, has that two-way audio. Check out that price, 50% off, bringing the price down to $19.99. And now from Bissell, we do have their Little Green Max Pet. This is their portable carpet cleaner. Now this carpet cleaner does do a great job cleaning those tough stains. It even comes with the pet removable tool and the self-cleaning tough stain tool, which is great. A limited time deal for $99.99. And now from Ninja, we have their toaster oven air fryer combo. They're 8-in-1. Now this does flip up and store away, so for those of you who are limited on counter space, this is the perfect air fryer to pick up. This is a limited time deal, has tons of power at 1800 watts, $149.99. If you're in the market for some cheap picture frames, these are definitely the ones to pick up. Another limited time deal from uSimple's 8x10 picture frames, and you do get a set of 5 here. What's great about these, they're very cheap, $15.74 for 5. And here we have a product that'll keep those calories burning while you're sitting down. We have an under-the-desk elliptical machine. Now this is pretty quiet. It's very portable. You have 12 different adjustment speeds. This is pretty great because it does come with a remote control. Another limited time deal. Now you can pick up this machine for only $99.95. And next up from Greenworks, we have their 80-volt combo package deal here. You get the string trimmer, you get the blower, and you get the lawnmower. Check out that price, a limited time deal, 42% off. You get all 3 of them. This is a great deal at $524.99. If you're in the market for a milk frother and you love those cappuccinos, or maybe you need something to mix up your protein shakes or your green juices, check this one out. 40% savings, only $5.98. Now this unit doesn't come with a stand, that's why it's so cheap, only $5.98. Have you ever needed a short iPhone cable? Well, these are only 1 feet in length. These are perfect to connect your phone right to your laptop. Keep them in your bag at all the time. Now, these are the lowest price in 30 days. We get a 2-pack here, $5.99. Are you tired of buying water? Well, here's your chance to pick up this under-the-sink water filter. This is a pretty great system to pick up from WaterDrop. Why? Because the filter does last about 1 year, and it has its own water faucet that's included in the package deal. So they give you the faucet, they give you the filter, super simple to set up, and they're also giving us a 10% off coupon code. Just click that coupon code, and that will get the price down to about $60. A 2-pack of glass olive oil dispenser bottles in front of us. These are perfect to pick up, especially with the price of olive oil these days. Now you can control exactly how much is going to come out of the bottle with these. They're a lot easier to use, $8.99 for a 2-pack. And now from Conair, we have their lighted LED vanity mirror. Now this mirror is pretty great. It has a 1X on one side and a 7X on the other side. It's on sale at 69% off, bringing the price down to $14.66. As always, friends, we do try to keep the pace of these Amazon videos very fast. If you see anything you like, pause the video, click the link in the description because these deals do not last. Right here from Chefcraft, we have their coarse grater. It's about 9 inches in length, 60% off, only $2.79. And here we have the Columbia long sleeve flannel shirts. Now these shirts are awesome. Check out that price, only $16.24. These shirts are selling lightning fast, so make sure you pause the video and grab it before they do sell out. And now from Under Armour, we have the men's Project Rock waist bag. This is a great product to pick up, especially for those of you who like the outdoors. Even if you're going on a long walk, this is a limited time deal. You can put your phone in there, your power bank, your headphones, your wallet, your keys, $26.25. Think of it as an Indiana Jones satchel. Definitely know we have some pickleball fans, so here we have it. We have the Gamma pickleball paddles. Now this is another great product. Check out that savings, 71% off, $19.99. You can't go wrong with that deal. And now for the Nintendo Switch, we do have their slim travel case. This is another great item to pick up. A pretty good discount here. It's only $9.99. Perfect to pick up if you have any loved ones who do like to play the Nintendo Switch. Our first monitor for today's video, it's only a 24-inch from Asus, but that's okay. Check it out. It does have 180 hertz, which is great for those of you who like to game. Has a 3-year warranty. Now, this is the lowest price in 30 days from Asus. This is a great monitor at 180 hertz, 16 by 9, 1080 piece, only $99. And just a quick announcement, friends, we are doing a new giveaway. We have this super cool Lego suitcase and backpack, and it's very easy to enter. I am going to leave a link in the description. All you have to do is make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have Instagram, follow me there too. Make sure you like, comment, and share my posts. Watch my Costco videos, watch my Sam's Club videos, and do not forget to watch my Amazon videos, because starting today, March 6, 2025, my Amazon videos will have a secret code. Grab that secret code, enter it into the giveaway, and you will get an additional 3 entries. The giveaway does end April 1st, 2025. Good luck, everyone. Back to the video. And before I forget, friends, at some point throughout this video, I am going to put the secret code somewhere, so make sure you grab that secret code for the giveaway. Now, right in front of us, we do have the magnetic hooks. Now, these are rated for up to 110 pounds. That is the resistance on it. Pretty awesome. Now, if you use it horizontally, up to 37 pounds, 50% savings today for a 6-pack, only $5.99. And from DeWalt, we have their 20-volt max cordless drill and impact driver. Now, this is their power tool combo kit. We get the drill, we get the driver, we get the charger, the battery, and the bag. And it does come with 2 batteries, so keep that in mind, which is awesome. 48% off, $124 even. Now, if you do need to add a circular saw to that power tool combo kit, we have it right here, right in front of you. Now, what's nice about this saw, it's the bare tool only, so you're not paying for that extra charger or extra battery. This tool is only $99. Here we have the Gildan 3-pack of heavy cotton t-shirts. Now, these are the G5000, a multi-pack. Now, we do get a set of 3 here. Check out that price, only $8.94. And here we have the very popular Garmin. This is the Instinct 2 Solar GPS outdoor watch, 38% savings. Now, this watch is only $247.70. What a great deal. And now from Amazing Grass, we have their superfood powder. Now, this is their greens blend, berry in flavor, and we do get 30 servings per bottle. This would be perfect to pair up with that frother that I did show you in the beginning of the video for only $5. What we have here is an additional 20% off coupon, so don't forget about that. Click that coupon code. That will get the price down to $13.67. And now from DJI, we have the Osmo Action 5. This is their adventure combo. This camera is awesome. It just got released, 18% off, not bad at all at $369. If you want an even better deal and you don't mind the older model, the Action 4, you can pick that up at Costco.com right now at a steal for only $200, and that's a combo as well. A 2-pack of universal remote controls for Samsung TVs. These are perfect to pick up as spares. 33% savings, $9.97. Now, we've seen these remote controls on my video last week. These are still on sale, a limited time deal. Great for Roku, Hisense, On, and Philips, $9.97. Tired of leaving those bars of soap on your countertop, leaving them everywhere? Definitely pick this product up from iDesign. We have their plastic soap saver. All it is a tray for that bar of soap. It's clear in color, 87% off today. Lowest price in 30 days. It's only 88 cents. It's less than $1. Now from Gorilla, we have their Patch and Seal. This is our liquid rubber waterproof sealant. It's white in color. We get 32 ounces. Another great product to pick up. We have already 20% off, but we also get a 20% off coupon code, which is great. Click this coupon code right here, and that will get the price down to about $22. A 30-ounce tumbler from Stanley. Now, this is their insulated stainless steel. It's BPA free. The perfect time to pick one up when they're on sale, of course. 25% savings, a limited time deal at $26.25. And now from Scotts, we have their fertilizer on sale. We have their crabgrass preventer, and it does have lawn food with pre-emergent, which is pretty great, up to 5,000 square feet. It's 13.5 pounds basically at $19.97. That's a 52% savings. So right here we have a pretty awesome deal on a jump starter. It's a 12-volt lithium jump pack, great for both gas and diesel engines. Now what's nice about this jump pack is we have a couple of coupons we can apply. So we have this $20 coupon right here that we can apply. Just click it. And then we have also this 35% off coupon right here. Just punch that in at checkout and that will get the price down to $45. Precision screwdriver set from Hoto. We're looking at their 25-in-1 3.7 volt electric screwdriver. Now we do have a couple of coupons that we can apply here. So we have this one right here for 23% off. Click this coupon code and then apply this one up on the screen right here and that will get the price down to $25. If you do a lot of printing at home and you need something reliable, check out the Brother Printer. Now this is their all-in-one laser printer. You can print, copy, scan, and fax. This printer is a workhorse, 16% off, $40 off the price, only $209.99. And now from PFFY, we have their sun bucket hats. Now these are great for both men and women. They have a nice 3-inch wide brim. They're UPF 50 plus. Now these hats are 11% off at $7.99. But guess what? I am going to leave you a coupon code up on the screen. That's going to get the price down 50%, only $4 per hat. We have another great product from Gorilla. We have their heavy-duty double-sided mountain tape. Now this tape can hold up to 60 pounds. It's 1 inch thick and you do get 10 feet of it, 120 inches. It's weatherproof, great for indoor and outdoors. 35% savings, $7.85. Here we have the Apple 2024 MacBook Air. Now this is a 13-inch laptop with the M3 chip in it. It does have that 16 gigs of RAM with a 512 gig solid-state hard drive, has a backlit keyboard. Now this laptop is the lowest price in 30 days, $300 off the price, bringing it down to $999 even. Now, if you're running out of storage on your laptop, your MacBook, your desktop, this is a great time to upgrade. We have the Samsung Evo, the 4TB hard drive, solid state, so you're not going to run out of storage anytime soon if you do buy this. It's a limited time deal, $100 off the price. It's only $249.97. And once again, back on sale again from Anker, we have their 100-watt charging station. Now this is their 9-in-1 USB power strip. It's pretty awesome. You can plug everything right into it, right on top of your tabletop, and you are good to go. Today, we have a nice 23% savings, but we also have an additional 20% off coupon, which is great. That will get the price under $37. And this tool from Works is a great price. We have a 20-volt cordless oscillating multi-tool. You really can't beat this price. $49 even. You get the multi-tool, a charger, a battery, even a carrying case. They also include some sandpaper. What a great price at $49 even. A fan favorite from Under Armour, we have the Men's Tech golf polos. Check out this price, 48% off today. They're only $20.99. You can pick up these shirts, a great time to stock up on them. Here we have a pretty awesome 9-pack of cable management cord holders. Now these organizers are awesome. Keep them by your nightstand. Keep them on top of your table. No more your cords falling on the floor. These are great. Now we do have a 40% off coupon today. Click this coupon code. That will get the price down to $9. I am going to leave you an additional coupon code that will get the price under $7. Apply it at checkout. Another fan favorite from Sensodyne, we have their sensitivity and gum sensitive toothpaste, great for gingivitis. Today we have a 4-pack, each bottle of toothpaste, 3.4 ounces. We also have a nice 20% off coupon code. Click that coupon code and that will get the price down to about $13. Another great deal, this time we have a tire inflator, an air compressor, great for cars, great for sports accessories, motorcycles, bicycles, you name it, you can inflate it all. Good for up to 150 PSI, even has an emergency LED light. This is a great buy, 32% savings, only $13.99. Another great deal from Works, we have their sawhorses. Now these do include the clamps as we can see here. You get them both in the set here. Now today we have a nice 31% savings. This does have a 1,000-pound weight capacity when you do connect both sawhorses. $59 even for the set, a great buy. A great attachment for your pressure washer. This is a must from Greenworks. We have their 12-inch surface cleaner. Now it is springtime, so you do want to clean your driveway. This is a great product to pick up, especially if you have a dirty driveway, maybe dirty sidewalks. This is a great tool to own. Only $19.49. From Yes For All, we have their kettlebells on sale. Now these are selling pretty quickly. I did have some better options available, but they're selling out pretty fast. Now this 10 pounder is a great deal, 47% off. Grab yourself two of them, $9.99. For $20, you can grab two. That's going to be a great workout. And it's that time of the video, friends, where I do show you that secret code. Here it is. Grab that code, enter it into the giveaway, and you will get an additional 3 entries, increasing your chances to win the Lego luggage set. Now this one from Anchor, we have their mini pie plate. This is a great plate to pick up. 6 inches is glass, 55% off. The lowest price in 30 days for $4.59. Another great deal from Apple, we have their 2024 Mac Mini desktop computer. Now this computer does have that M4 chip in it, has a 10-core CPU and a 10-core GPU, 16 gigs of RAM with a 256 gig solid state hard drive, $100 off the price, the lowest price in 30 days at $499 even. A pretty great deal this time from Govee. We have their smart light bulbs. Now these light bulbs are great. They work fantastic with the Govee app. We do have a nice $10 off coupon, which is awesome. Just come over here, click this coupon code for $10 off. That will get the price down to $25. And next up from TP-Link, we have their Wi-Fi 6 router. If you're still paying your internet provider to rent a router, that's ridiculous. You can buy this one here. It's a great deal, 25% off, but we also have an additional $10 off coupon. Apply this coupon code at checkout. That will get the price down to $49.99. A full motion TV mount that does include a pegboard. Now the TV mount can hold anywhere from a 42 all the way up to an 84-inch TV. Its weight capacity is 132 pounds. Today we have a nice 30% off savings, which is great, but we also have an additional 50% off on top of that 30. So grab this coupon code for 50% off. That will get the price down to $28. Now this is a great buy if you own a Lenovo laptop or maybe you have a loved one who does own one. It does hold up to a 16-inch laptop. Now this backpack looks great in my opinion. I do love the design of it. Today we have a great 60% off discount. That's going to bring the price down to $20 even. And our last product for today's video, hopefully you did make it to the end. If you didn't, this is a great buy as well. Now we have your voltage tester here, a great buy, 32% off. It's only $29.39. Now this is the lowest price in 30 days. If you're a DIYer or you're a tradesman, this is a great buy for $29.39. If you did enjoy today's video and you do enjoy this type of content, make sure you subscribe to our channel. We love showing you the best deals here on Amazon, Costco, Sam's Club. Make sure you subscribe, and if you do want to support the channel, hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to follow us over on Instagram at Watch the Deal Finder. And remember, friends, the giveaway is completely free, so make sure you enter. Your chances are very good. I'll see you tomorrow with a new video, friends. Enjoy the weekend. Peace.